The next item that we are going to discuss under organization is organizational culture, and that would be Chapter 3. In examining school culture, one can see that it consists of many elements, including school climate. Although there are many factors that contribute to a school's organizational culture, the single most important factor will be the influence of the administrative staff. It basically lies at the door of the principal. The goal, of course, is to have a positive school culture and climate. The chapter does discuss a model that can be applied to schools to determine the culture. Today, this is more critical than it has ever been. Theory Z, developed by William Uchi, is a very interesting addition to theories X and Y. What does Theory Z bring to the table to enhance theories X and Y? The essential value is understanding the environment of the school and designing a manner in which all may participate. Remember the ELCC standards where you may find mentioned frequently stakeholder involvement. The effective principal uses an empowerment approach, a teamwork approach, with stakeholder involvement. It may be more clumsy that way, but can be much more effective. At this point, we will do another discussion question. As an educator since 1967, I have learned how to determine the climate of a school within 5 minutes or so of entering it. So, your discussion question is, you're a stranger to a school building you are visiting. Within 5 minutes of entering the building, you will know the prevailing climate of that school. How? As a follow-up to this question, try it. Visit a school unknown to you and try to assess the climate as quickly as possible. The discussion procedure will be the same as before. In fact, just this last week, I had an opportunity to do exactly the same thing. I visited a school in which I had never set foot before, and I practiced this same activity that I am giving you. And within about 5 to 10 minutes, I had a pretty good grasp of exactly what that climate was. The thing you need to remember when we're talking about climate is that, as I said before, there are many factors, but the single most important factor to the creation of a school climate comes from the administrator's office. The administrator, the principal, is the number one factor in what the nature of the climate in any organization, any school, will be.